and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rhoda Kay, and it's another vlog. I am here at Ayala Alabang Town Center. To get here from BGC, nag-commute kami guys. I'm with my classmate, and then going here is like 57 pesos, 30 minutes bus ride, and another jeep fare of 12 pesos. And it opened at exactly 11 a.m. So yeah, timing na timing yung pagpunta namin dito na hindi traffic and just on time kasi ayaw namin maabutan yung rush hour, and we'll just explore the rest of the area. As usual guys, iniikot ko na naman yung place para ma-familiar ako sa mga directions kung saan ako dapat liliko, ganon, or like paano ba mag-go around. Kasi yung Ayala pala, hindi pa nga namin napupuntan yung main, yung parang depth store nila or something. So yeah, figure out pa namin kung paano. Now getting Dairy Queen. I'm trying out their ube milkshake pero double fudge pa din. But doon ako kumain guys sa food market nila kasi mas mura, and actually parang yung in-order ko parang ano, coincide sa feeling ko ngayon na nagre-recover from last night kasi diba nag-commute kami tapos gabi na nakauwi and ang tagal nang natulog ganon. So yeah, ikot-ikot na lang muna kami dito sa Ayala, and then let's see kung anong next nating itinerary. I will be trying the famous Banafetay of Banapol. I've been dying to taste this one, guys. Dying talaga. So let's taste this. Wow, it's so soft. Oops. In fairness, yung sa tip part, hindi siya thick or parang ano, siyang si Graham's ba, but yeah. More of banana. And then this one. Pero more on banana siya guys, hindi siya ganun ka pie-ish. Pie ba? Parang hindi siya masyadong pie. Maybe dito sa likod. Ano ito? It's thick and crispy. From panit. Salamat! Shout out from Toledo. Toledo ba?
Toledo. Pila mo nga ng auto.
Thank you! Okay guys, papunta kaming Festival Mall. And doon pala dapat kami sasakay sa harap lang. Kasi plano sana namin mag-iya diretso. Pero parang hindi na kaya. I mean, hindi muna ba? Kasi parang hindi pa namin nasunod itong Alabang. So, nasyal muna kami. Parang dito kami sa parang bridge na nasa gitna. Flyover ba yung tawag dito? Hindi ka naman nag-fly. Ito guys, oh. From ATC to babaan pa Festival Mall, 12 pesos lang guys. So usually nasa 12 to 15 pesos lang yung pamasahe namin. So ang laking tipid din. And yeah, ang ganda na na-experience ko yung mga ganito ba. Yung nagko-commute tapos naglalakad. Kasi mas napifeel ko yung lugar ba. Init nga lang pero okay lang din. Wow guys, oh, parang sarap maligo dyan. We're like exploring the road here near sa ano, Festival Mall dun nasa harap. Look at this hidden gem here guys. We just walked near to the Station 1 and wow, this is what you call West Boardwalk pala. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. So near sa landmark guys. Look oh. I wonder kung gaano to kalalim. Grabe. May isda ba dito? Para siyang tunnel or something. Char. It's like we're in abroad, but we're just here in Muntinlupa. It's like a never-ending maze here in Festival Mall or beside it. Wow, what is that building or structure? And there's like a falls out there, guys. Yan o, kita nyo? Ganda. You know what, guys? I'm so mesmerized with this place because I never knew that you can find something as beautiful as this one, that you can feel like you're out of the Philippines at the same time because it's so different from where we were coming and also the road that we were passing by. And now it's like, wow, grabe. Ang ayos, ang linis, tapos meron pa yung river, ganon. Just amazing. Ang igno, no? Pero, yeah, just so fun to be here right now. And then, mag-explore lang. Babuti na lang na-meet namin yung kanina, yung napakita ko sa vlog. Kasi sila yung may sabi na punta kami dito. Oh, di ba guys? Sa loob lang to ng mall ha, may riles. Parang ang may pond din. Hanggang dito yan. Oh, wait. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Ito. Yan. O, di ba? Ang ganda lang. Sana may train. Pwede tayong sumakay. Shoutout kay Kuya dito sa Wendy's Festival Mall. Thank you, Kuya. Guys, oh, ang mura lang dito. Tag 99 lang. Sa parang gitna na part. And ang gaganda ng collection nila. Meron pa sa ano, sa harap. Guys, oh, tag 200 lang yung dress nila. At saka yung mga pants, oh, 200 lang din. Ang ganda ng design and quality. And then sa tops, 99 lang din. Ganda ng festival mall na ito kasi ang daming ano, makikita at ang laki niya. Hindi ko rin expect. And ang ano siya ba, like madaming store sa loob na magaganda din. There's a Jollibee food truck. Ngayon ko lang nakakita ng ganito. And now we are going up sa bridge para makatawid kami dun sa kabilang kalye. Dito pala kami sasakay guys sa UP Express. We were coming from there guys and dito lang kami pinaba and we are already here just in time na mahaga pa. Like kita ko pa ba daytime sa Evia or Villar City. Ang ganda guys, grabe. Nakaka-amaze. Amaze na naman yarn. Kasi ang dami pang mga lupa dito na vacant oh. Tapos yun, pasok tayo sa loob guys. The exterior here guys, it's very Mediterranean feels ba, but modern on the inside. Yun yung gusto ko, yung parang dream house ko din ba na design. And yeah, explore muna kami dito habang ano pa, maaga pa. Welcome to my palace. Anong meron sa movie na ito na trending siya guys? Like, ang hype niya ba? Plano sana namin manood, pero ano, parang nakaka-aksaya din ng oras eh. Kasi ilang hours din yun. OMG! My dream couch guys. Yung ganitong design. Ang ganda. We're here at All Day Supermarket and I'll be trying their smart cart. Wait, paano ba itong ibira? Okay, yan. So, let us start shopping. Let's click this one. Start shopping. Loading. And let's go! Actually guys, wala kaming plano talaga bumili kasi nakakatamad yun dalhin. Ang layo pa namin, magko-commute lang kami. So, we're planning to go like in Las Piñas maybe to eat for dinner. We'll just figure it out or we'll just experiment. Hindi ako sure. Wait, may piano dito guys, so that is playing on its own. Kaya yun, nag-iisipan namin. Sa mga taga doon, may idea ba kayo saan magandang kumain? Comment down below naman. Pero late na, upload ko tong video na to. Sayang. So, yeah. Malapit daw yung Bacoor. So, doon na lang kami pupunta. At hindi na sa Las Piñas. Wow, ang ganda pa rin dito. Parang every detail of this mall is really aesthetic. So, come here if you want like lots of pictures for your IG. It's so worth it. Ang lapit lang pala ng SM Molino guys. Walking distance lang. Yung nagbabawal na technique. Tinuro lang din sa akin, guys. Sana naman hindi pa ganun kabawal. Okay. Cheers! Nesty, baka naman we took risk because of you. Kasi ano kami sa inyo eh, loyalty check yun. Like, buwis buhay ba ganun? Done eating sa Giligans, guys, or Giligans pala, and sulit na sulit siya. In fairness, ang worth it ng service din nila. And now, pupunta na kami ng Baclaran ulit. See you guys tomorrow for another day. Baclaran din po, isang estudyante. 40 pesos, galing ito sa SM Molino.
Arkilado.
Hey guys, it's another day, and by the way, this is the top that I got from Festival Mall for 99 pesos only, guys. I'm wearing it now kasi I am going to a wedding, surprisingly, and I have another top that I'll be using there that would kind of like match the motive, but I'll just change later kasi magko-commute pa ako, guys. And this is exciting for me kasi first time kong umatan ng wedding dito sa Manila, and at least my experience ko din yon kasi kahapon madami akong nakitang wedding, ganon. So yeah, first things first, I will have lunch and head out na dito sa BGC. I think nahanap ko na yung best place to buy clothes that is affordable. Dito lang pala sa Trinoma. And ang daming magaganda ngayon. And nasa uso pa. Pero nagmamadali ako and wala na akong masyadong pera. Hinahanap ko yung main entrance, guys, kasi mas makakamura ako if doon ako mag-pick up kasi dito sa Mindanao app. Finally, I made it here sa main entrance, guys. Buti na lang. Pinawisan ako sa paghahanap. And dito ako maghihintay kay kuya. Nag-chat na kami. Basta dito, hindi naman masyadong traffic. And yeah, grabe, nagmamadali na talaga ako, guys. Kasi anong oras na? Dito, oh. Sana naman tama to. Nag-send na ako ng picture. And I am confused which one should I order, the barbecued spare ribs or the Batangas pork adobo, because basically from the pictures it looks so delicious and I'm quite hungry na. It's like almost 1 PM. This is the following day already. Sinot ko na lang siya ulit, guys, kasi sayang din naman, parang hindi siya masyadong nagamit kahapon. So yeah, if you have recommendations, comment down below para next time matry ko and babalik ako dito. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. See you again on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!